Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and fit. I am Anisha Arora. Welcome to you all in our social studies class. Today we are going to read the chapter 9, The Lively East. In previous video, we have read about the northern part and western part of India. Now we are going to read about the eastern part of India. So let's start. First of all, we will do an activity. Get set. Here are the names of few cities in eastern India. Color the capital cities. First is Itanagar. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Next, Dimapur. Dimapur is not a capital city. Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Dispur. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Gangtok. Gangtok is capital of Sikkim. Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Puri. Puri is not a capital city. Bilaspur. Bilaspur is also not a capital city. Next, Aizawl. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. In this lesson, we will read about some cities in eastern India. First, we will read about Kolkata. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. It was earlier called Calcutta. Kolkata is situated along the banks of river Hooghly. It is a major port. The hanging bridge on Hooghly was called Howrah Bridge. It is now called Rabindra Setu. There is a hanging bridge which was called Howrah Bridge, but now it is called Rabindranath Setu. Another bridge has been built on the river. It is called Vidyasagar Setu. Now we will read about the climate of Kolkata. Kolkata is neither hot nor cold. It receives heavy rain between June and September. The weather is warm and humid during these months. People, most men wear dhoti kurta or shirt trouser. Women wear saris, salwar kameez, jeans and skirts. Bangla is the main spoken language of Kolkata. Most people eat rice, fish curry and rasgulla are popular food items. People enjoy celebrating festivals. Durga Puja is the main festival. It is celebrated on large scale. People also like to watch cricket and football. Now, the industries of Kolkata. There are many industries in Kolkata. Jute, silk, rice, paper and chemicals are a few important industries. Now we will read about the transport of Kolkata. Kolkata has an underground metro. Trams also run in some areas. Kolkata is only city where trams are still in use. The main railway stations are Howrah and Sealdah. कोलकाता में मेट्रो है but trams also run in some areas. Kolkata is single city where trams are still in use. Trams are buses which run on tracks with electricity. Now, tourist attractions of this city. There are many places to see in the city. Victoria Memorial, Fort William, Birla Planetarium, Alipur Zoo, Nikko Parks, Ravindra Sarovar, Belur Mutt and Science City are some popular places tourists like to see. These are the tourist attraction of Kolkata, and the Victoria Memorial was built in memory of Queen Victoria of England. It is now a museum, जो कि अब एक म्यूजियम है. Now we will read about the next city of Eastern India, Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. It is also known as the city of temples. Summers from March to May are hot and humid. Winters are not very cold. Odia is the main language of Bhubaneswar. Kandagiri and Udaygiri are famous for their rock-cut caves. The Odisha State Museum, Pathani Samanta Planetarium, Nandan Kanan Zoo and Kanjia Lake are some places with tourist attraction. These are the tourist attractions of Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is famous for its stonework, bell metal work, wood carving and Patte Chitra paintings. Now, next city is Guwahati. Guwahati is the biggest city in Assam. It is situated along the banks of river Brahmaputra. People speak Assami and Bangla. Guwahati is famous for its handicrafts, woolen shawls. Some places of tourist interest are Kamakhya Temple, State Museum, Sri Mantha, Shankardeva, Kalakshetra and the Forest Museum. Bihu is the main festival of Guwahati. Now we will read about the Kohima. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. It is a beautiful city. Summers are pleasant and winters are chilly. Many people speak Angami, means the spoken language of Kohima is Angami. English is also widely spoken. There are many places to see, such as the War Cemetery, Juko Valley, Jamfu Peak, Naga Heritage Village and picnic spot called Jukeleki. The Hornbill Festival is held here every year in December. It attracts many tourists. This festival shows the rich culture of Nagaland. ये फेस्टिवल नागालैंड के रिच कल्चर को शो करता है. हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड वाइडली. ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ कोहिमा वन कैन सी people wearing both modern and traditional dresses. Now we will read about the Raipur. Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. The Mahanadi river flows near the city. Raipur has many industries such as coal, steel, aluminium. Summers months are hot and dry. Winters are cold. There are many places of tourist interest such as Vivekananda Ashram, Mahant Ghasidas Memorial Museum and Shahid Smarak Bhavan. The city is famous for its handicrafts. People speak Chhattisgarhi and Hindi. Means main spoken languages are Chhattisgarhi and Hindi in Raipur. Now we will read about Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. The Suvarna Rekha river flows through the city. There are many waterfalls near Ranchi such as Dasam Fall, Hundru Fall, Sita Fall and Jona Falls. These are the waterfalls of Ranchi. These are very beautiful waterfalls and because of these Ranchi is called the city of waterfalls. Summers are hot and humid. Winters are cold. Most people speak Hindi. They celebrate all major festivals. The Nakshatra Van, Tagore Hill, Sun Temple and Rock Garden are some places popular with tourists. The city is also famous for handicrafts such as metalwork, bamboo craft and Petikar paintings. So it is all about the chapter. Read the chapter 2 times. Thank you. Have a nice day.